Hey guys, so I already did start eating, but I still wanted to share this meal just because I know that I haven't uploaded in a while and I don't like editing, so this is going to be like an editless video. Just a quick little eat with me and update. So you guys probably don't know because I have not edited my transfer video, but I transferred universities. And so this is like the third week of school. Everything's honestly been going pretty well. I can't complain, except for literally today's the worst day ever. So that's why I am eating. It was a big slice, you could tell by the crust. It was a really big slice of pizza. And then I have some dipping sauces right here. And then I have a calzone. This is just a spinach, mushroom, and 4-cheese one. I really want to stand it up for you guys, but I doubt it'll be possible. I'll try. That worked a little bit, kind of, not really, whatever. Okay, so, I feel like that's okay. I can put this down a little bit. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's perfect. So this is just some marinara sauce, and this is some Tabasco hot sauce. Okay, yeah. So, school has been going pretty well, but today has been the worst day ever, and here's why. So, first of all, I woke up tired. Because in the middle of the night, I had really bad cramping. I'm on my period. So I guess it's like a little cheat meal too, because I'm supposed to be dieting right now. Always. So I'm supposed to be dieting right now, and I'm not. I should put my pizza there. Because why? Let's see. Number one, mainly because I'm tired. I'm definitely tired. So that's obviously I'm not gonna. Sorry, my mind is actually going all over the place, to be honest. But
So that came out the somebody released the photo of his yearbook.
I woke up tired because in the middle of the night I started cramping super badly, so I had to wake up and deal with that, and I couldn't fall back asleep for 30 minutes. I generally don't like to take pain medicines, and I'm not 100% sure why, but just the idea of always taking pills when I'm cramping is then I would be taking pills for 4 days every single month, and I don't know, that's kind of, I don't know, I feel like that's not great. I haven't really done too much research in it, but I'm pretty sure it's not great. So generally I try not to. And anyway, yeah, so I was cramping really badly, and so I woke up in the middle of the night and I couldn't fall back asleep for a little bit. And then on top of that, I went to sleep late, so I went to sleep around what time did I go to bed? I think 2 in the morning or something. And I had woke up from cramping around 4 a.m. So it just wasn't a great night. So I woke up tired, whatever, but that didn't stop me. Honestly, this is a story of resilience, to be honest, because I still woke up tired. That didn't stop me. I got my ass out of bed, and I put makeup on and stuff, so I was still looking cute. I still made an effort to look cute. Pepperoni pizza isn't that good. Not pepperoni. The vegetable pizza is not that good, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's just the pizza itself, or if it's the It could be the marinara. The marinara is not doing it for me. I don't know. It's okay though. It's pizza. So anyway, resilience number one. Woke up tired but still got pretty. So that was great. Cause I honestly feel like when you dress pretty, you genuinely have a better day. I mean, that is obviously proven false today. Cause my day was fucking terrible. But still, here I am, enjoying it, still being productive, making a video because I know I haven't made one in a little bit. So anyway, yeah, I go to school. So next, we have a test. I didn't study too well for it because I honestly forgot about it, bitch. I honestly fucking forgot about that shit. So I didn't study too well, so then that was like L number one, but I still left that bitch like, whatever, we bounce back. Like, it's the first test, like, I can make it up because, we have homework in that class and in-class assignments, so I already knew that I was going to make that up. No issue, no problem. There's a fucking gnat. It's gonna, ooh. Okay. I'm just drinking some water. It's not Fiji water. I like to buy these, like, big bottles and just refill them. I do have, like, an actual flask, but I don't know. It's like, I don't know what's wrong with it, but the water, whenever I put water in, it's starting to taste gross, so I just reuse this bottle over and over again. Did I get it? Sometimes I'm able to, like, when I just grab it anyway. Oh, and I cut my finger with the fucking butter knife. Like, it was a really deep cut. That shit hurts a lot. Anyway, what else happened? Really, the start of my bad day happened with my lab. So I had a late afternoon lab at 2 p.m. It's called Evolution Ecology Experiments. I need to stop dipping into that marinara sauce. It's not good. So it's called Evolution Ecology Experiment, and we basically have to do like different experiments having to do with the environment, ecology, all that, blah, blah, blah. So today we're literally scooping up dirt. I keep on dipping it into this marinara, but you know what? It adds like a juiciness because there's no sauce in here. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's just cheese. It's different kinds of cheese. I'm pretty sure it's like ricotta, Parmesan, mozzarella, spinach, and mushroom. That's really good. So, motherfuckers have us. I have a video. If I'm in the mood to edit, I will insert it right now. Motherfuckers have us in the hot ass sun, literally just scooping up dirt. Not scooping. It's like an instrument where you step on it, and it goes down into the dirt, and then it brings back up. What's it called? It brings back up. What's that thing called? Dirt, soil. Whatever she calls it. Dirt, soil, whatever. It's an experiment. It's like an experiment on mowed lawns versus non-mowed lawns and just like biodiversity. Complete bullshit, in my opinion, for me to do. You know what I'm saying? Because I do it every single year. Or what they said. And so, I wonder if it's ethically, like, right for me to blur everybody's face out. But as you guys know, I'm not gonna edit. So, I'll probably, like, edit once, only because I took a thumbnail, like, in the middle of this, or I might just leave that in. Because I always forget to take a thumbnail. Like, thank God I remember. Anyway, I was in the hot ass sun for 2 straight hours, walking around, doing, like, soil shit. And I have a kind of shirt on, and so I love shirts with ruffles like this that don't like show my titties completely because I feel like I have a weird shaped titty. Whatever. Basically, all right here, all under my titties, soaked with sweat. All my back soaked with sweat. And I have like my extensions in right now. So like my real hair is super short. Like you can kind of see it right now. Anyway, my real hair is super short. And so, The wind had it going crazy. Plus, I was sweating. Now the top of my head is nappy as shit. It's not blending that well. But even after that, even after all that, I come back into the class. I finish it up. Like, we just have to put the soil out to dry. I pack up. I'm like, ugh. I make conversation with my teacher. I'm still being super nice and bubbly, even though I'm literally ready. I'm like on the brink of tears. Like, I literally told myself, okay, when I get home, I'm gonna start crying because like there's just so much shit that happened today. Like, it was just such a terrible day that I want to cry. I walk all the way home. Mind you, this is like a dramatic 12-minute walk. Close, okay, not that dramatic. It was like a 12 to 11-minute walk. Disrespectful, bro. 12 to 15-minute walk. Can y'all see that? Ooh, 12 to 15-minute walk, and it's in the hot ass sun. Barely any wind going. Ooh, I put way too much hot sauce on that bite. It's funny because I love hot stuff, but this hot sauce is not. I was never a fan of Tabasco, to be honest. Like, people love Tabasco and talk about it all the time. Never a fan of Tabasco. Anyway. Walk all the way fucking home in that sun. I'm literally drenched in my sweat at this point. I look so ugly. A couple of people have already seen me. I've had to say hey and shit like that. Like, and I hate looking ugly and saying hey to people because it just gives me so much fucking anxiety, y'all. I have really bad social anxiety. Anyway, whatever. I do it. Terrible day. I'm like, finally I'm home. I'm about to start crying. Maybe take a nap. Get some food in my system. This is gonna be great. Go to open my fucking bag. Bitch, my fucking keys aren't in there, bro. My motherfucking keys weren't in there when I searched the first time. So I fucking walk back to campus. Mind you, there is like a bus system. But as you guys know, social anxiety, I've already said hey to so many people here today and whatnot. And I was like, bruh, if I see one more person, I'm literally gonna cry. Like, that's what's gonna make me cry, bitch. So I'm like, no. Fuck that shit. Let me just walk again. Even though I'm literally so tired at this point, y'all. Like, I am fucking exhausted because out in the hot sun for 2 hours on that fucking lab, waking up fucking late as shit. Oh my god. And then earlier today, like, I was eating blueberries and that shit got all over me and my car and shit. It's like wild blueberries or something. I don't know what's like special about them. All I know is that they stain terribly, bitch. You can't really see anymore, but my like fingers were super blue and purple. Anyway, so like that happened. Just like other shit happened too. Go back to the building. Go back to my lab. Look at my desk area. I don't fucking see my keys. I'm panicking at this point. I'm like, bruh. Do not tell me. Because on my keys, I have my house key, my room key, my fucking car key. Like, all the other shits is whatever. But my fucking car key, bruh. No. I was panicking at that point. So then I go to the biology office. I'm like, is there lost and found? Where's my TAs? We go to both of my TAs' office. We go to there's not an official lost and found, like the office of the lost and found, I guess. We look around there, the guy helps me. I'm like crying. He brings in this other adult to like, cause they had to open up their, open the door to their office, like the door that holds a whole bunch of offices. Like, I'm crying in front of all of them. They're like, well, leave your number, name, blah, blah, blah. If we find anything, we'll get back to you. I'm done with this, to be honest. So, I go back into my lab and I just start crying. I leave my name, my number. He's like, I'll let you know if there's any good news in the next 24 hours. I'm like, okay, thank you. And I start bawling my fucking eyes out, bro. Bawling my eyes out. And you know, I did my makeup today, so mascara motherfucking running and shit. I looked fucking ugly. Didn't fucking care. Personally, didn't fucking care. I was to my fucking wit's end. Like, it's already been such a terrible day for me, and then this shit happened. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm bawling my eyes out, bro. I'm like, of course. It's already been such a fucking bad day. I'm on my fucking period. You already know everything else is mad dramatic right now. So then I'm like, Jo.huny, let's search your book bag one more time. Like, I searched the whole entire lab. Like, I opened up all the drawers near my desk and stuff like that. And then I'm like, let me just look at my book bag one more time. Look at my book bag. Guess where my fucking keys are? In my fucking book bag. Bro, I couldn't let nobody see me. I didn't take them out. I left the room still looking sad and shit just in case somebody bumped into me. Like, I didn't want to have to tell somebody that I fucking found it in my book bag after making a scene like that. How embarrassing. I'm full. Anyway, that was like 20 minutes ago, or 25 minutes ago, and after the whole ordeal, like, I went to the bathroom, I had to clean myself up, and I was like, you know what, I was gonna go home and like eat some fucking spinach soup saute shit that I made, you know, something healthy. I said, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. The day was mad stressful, okay? A fucking series of misfortunate events. No, you're going to go get some fucking pizza and a fucking calzone, bitch. Well, not that I wanted, like, specifically wanted this. I mean, some of my schools, like, have a cafeteria type thing. There's, like, a Wendy's and, like, a Moe's type business, Moe's slash Chipotle type thing. And then they have, like, a pizza type thing. Anyway, this video actually is long as shit. Wow. Anyway, if you're here right now, thank you so much for like watching till the end, honestly, and you know, listening to me bitch about my day because it was seriously terrible. But like I said, at the end of the day, what I do, I kept on going. I could have went home and sat there and cried and whatnot after today, but I was like, hell nah. Let me go get some fucking pizza. Let me make a fucking video. Like, no. I was so fucking resilient today. And you know what? I could have gotten, because, you know, I have like a history of depression and whatnot. I could have gotten real sad and went back to my, you know what? Here's life being unfair again. I'm going to fucking kill myself. But I didn't. I did not. The thought maybe passed my mind for a quick second and I fucking brushed it aside, okay? We are mentally healthy. All 2K19. Trying to be. Deadass. Trying to be. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Do you guys want to see my face? Like, it's kind of awkward. I kind of look ugly. Let's not do that. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will literally drop it, like, today because I know I haven't uploaded anything in a while. There are 2 fucking gnats on my book bag. I have got a dip, baby.